This is a Norton SM8 soft Arkansas oilstone box. Stone. This is a little bit of stone mixed with glue, because this is that era when they used that glue that did ridiculous amounts of damage when stones tore out of the boxes. The stone is not lapped or chamfered. It is 7 5/8 of an inch long by 1 15/16 of an inch wide by 1 inch deep at the center. There is, hold on one second, as you can see, one corner that's been pinged. Over here, it's about 7/8 of an inch at its deepest point. And apart from that, there seems, wait, hold on, let me zoom, focus. As you can see, there is a tiny fissure on the corner that runs. Let me try to pick it up a little bit right there, as you can see. Picks up, and then where does it continue? Right there. Sorry. Goes around there. Goes sort of up that way. Really. Come on, camera. See, right there. Zzz, zzz. And then it loops back around here. And it all sort of terminates right there at the corner. So I don't know. But that's the story there. Not lapped, not chamfered, but it's a Norton SM8 soft Arkansas oilstone. Thank you.